Here's how to fix no sound on WhatsApp video status. First of all, if the status video is not playing sound after uploading, but you could hear the sound while in editing mode, then this is probably caused by a known bug. This happens when your phone's volume is not turned up while you're uploading the status. So just delete your status that has no audio, turn up your device's volume, then re-upload the status and check if it has sound. If it's still not fixed, then we're gonna check WhatsApp update. You can just search up WhatsApp in your app store, and if there's an update pending, go ahead and update it. Then try re-uploading your status. Still not fixed? Then let's move to the next step, which is clearing cache of the WhatsApp application. On iPhone, to clear WhatsApp cache, go to General, iPhone Storage, find WhatsApp, and hit Offload. This won't erase any of your data, so just confirm it, and then reinstall WhatsApp. On Android, you can just long press on the WhatsApp icon, then go to the Info, Storage, and Clear Cache. Now this should be fixed. Lastly, in some cases, if the video that you're trying to upload has an unsupported format, then this can result in no audio. So it's recommended that you use a compatible format such as MP4 or H.264. After following all of these steps, the no audio issue should be fixed. So let us know if this helped you out, and I'll see you around.